Hey everyone, welcome to the Banshee Moon channel. Thanks so much for watching the videos. If you like them, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the channel. That way you can see all the good stuff we have coming out. And if you leave a comment in the comment section below, I can respond.
What are you thinking about doing this evening, Jen?
Getting a tattoo.
A tattoo?
Getting a tattoo.
Where are you getting a tattoo?
On my eyebrows.
All right. You sure you want to do it?
Or no, you have one left.
One lot, because I thought, yeah, I had to.
Yeah.
One lot,
Yep.
okay. Next Thursday at 4?
Okay, yep. Gotcha.
So yeah, have a great weekend.
You too. Thanks, Kathy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, so Jen is going to be a model and help me teach this nice lady permanent cosmetics.
Nice lady.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me see those brows.
You're very faded.
They're faded. How long ago did we tattoo them? Look up. I mean, turn your head up.
I don't know, probably 3 years ago.
Okay.
It's been a long time.
Okay. Well, tell Gabrielle that you're gonna let her use you as a guinea pig.
Oh, nice. Good.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I'm pretty excited.
Yeah. She's gonna be your next guinea pig.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh.
Ah. I cannot believe how quick that spray can.
We've got the student running the camera, and Jen is the model. And we're gonna dig into these eyebrows with this dark brown. And it will stand out with Jen's dark coloring.
So
Dark
I
hair.
look crazy for a few days.
Yeah.
The Groucho Marx.
Let's get a look at the student.
I'm a happy student.
Ta-da!
This is the only time I've ever been happy to be a student.
Happy student. All right.
Yay.
So here we go. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So we're just defining the shape here. Before we wipe, she's bleeding a little bit, which makes it a little challenging, but I know where the shape is.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to get the full width of that thickness before I wipe. So I have a very capable student here, obviously. She's done this before, and she's going to town. Now, yep, don't go any further.
Okay.
We've got a nice pool of pigment there.
Oh, do we have any 4x4s?
Yeah, let me get some out. We're getting to that point, Gabrielle, where we can wipe.
Okay.
I'm just about confident now that we have the shapes. And as I was saying earlier, Jen does not have perfect symmetry from side to side, so we're kind of trying to make even with something that's not even. So I think we can do it. I think we have the technology.
You better.
Okay, I think that's good.
Okay.
Right here is where she wanted adjusted. So that arches match, peaks match. You see what I'm doing? I'm surprised. That lighter came works really well. What do you think?
I'm like, you can't even hurt me.
Oh, I can hurt you.
Other times that I've had it done,
Now,
it has.
look in the mirror, Jen.
I mean, not a lot, but just kind of burns and makes my feet jump.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Did
Yeah,
that
that,
make
yep.
difference?
Yeah, I like it. I'm uneven. They made me even.
Nice. That's always a good
She's
thing.
asymmetrical. So we're in the middle of your
Billboards, the iron.
power goes
billboards,
out in the middle of Jen's
Yeah.
eyebrows.
The whole thing went,
Oh
went
my.
right over. Well, you never saw somebody.
Oh, there's the power.
I wonder where my
We're doing
husband is.
the like Groucho Marx.
Aren't you glad we got finished
Oh my
before
gosh.
before the power
It
went
was
out?
perfect timing.
Wow. Yeah, you look a little groucho,
Oh
but
my
that'll
goodness.
settle down.
Okay. And I should find out where my poor husband is.
So I gotta add these tips before it goes off again.
Wow, that was really strange. I mean, that power went out right after we finished.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I think we need, our gutters are not working. Aw, I think you look damn good.
So nice.
They're-
Except that you wiped off all my makeup.
They're always very dark in the beginning. When we do them a little darker than we want them because the skin heals over them, and then they're lighter.
Ah, it's raining all day.
But you know the routine, don't you?
I know the deal.
All right, where are we going to eat?
I don't know.
Bonefish, Carrabba's. All right. See you there.
Ow!
Aw.
Oh, there's nothing on.
You triple checked the doors, huh?
Huh?
I'll see you soon.
Love you.
Love you. So Jen and I got here there she is, to go to dinner. And there are trees on cars. A tornado must have come through here. There's a crushed car right there. And we're worried about going to dinner. Shit. Well, I guess the damage is done. I'll meet you over there. There's sirens going off. Lots of damage there.